It's day 2 of my Bulgarian vlogging adventure. I'm just at breakfast. I'll show you. I got scrambled eggs, some tomato, cereal, and then like biscuity wafer things. It's like a buffet here. You see behind me, it's a restaurant. Like there's the buffet. So you just go get what you want. It's all inclusive. It makes my life. One of those people that just loves to go around and get everything. And yeah, we're going down to the pool or something like that. So see you there. We're at the beach because we were going to go to like a pharmacy, but we're too early, so it doesn't open yet. So we're playing around in the sea a little bit. Oh, I don't like waves. I love it. I have to carry my shoes, so if you're wondering what I'm holding, it's my socks and shoes. I don't learn, do I? No. And I've got my phone. Oh! I get all confused when the water goes on me. I'm just like, what is this? What is the sea? I love it. I want to play in it forever. Like, I love my feet being on it. Showing you around. I've got my GoPro in my hands. I don't have my vlogging camera, but I'm in a hammock. Finally got in the hammock. It's time to get in the pool. And it's just letting you know. Oh god, it's just letting you know I haven't got a screen on this camera, so I can't see what I'm doing. So if the angle's bad, so I've got in the pool, you know, make sure it's all good, but it's freezing, so I'm trying to adjust to it. That's why I was kind of like at the steps trying to get in, being all like, oh. I'm in the kids' pool, like, it's really shallow. There's also slides. I know this is a super wide angled lens, so I know you can see everything pretty well. I'm hoping you can. Okay, I'm going to try and get used to water a bit more now. Okay, so I'm in the pool now properly, like I've got used to it, so that's good. It's really weird because I'm really short and this pool is really shallow. I can go on my knees, like in this pool. Look! I lost my balance then. See how I'm on my knees in the pool? That's how shallow it is. Like it's a little pool like for children. But I needed to go in this pool to acclimatise myself, to get used to the other pools, because otherwise, and you know, one of those things. I'm gonna go in the bigger pool now because I think I've got used to this one enough. Like I'm fine with it now, so I won't get freaked out. Because I'm not a fan of water. Like, I don't like being in water much, but you know, I have to really. And I enjoy this, so you know, it's all good. It's all good. My parents are over there on the sun lounges. because they're doing aerobics. I feel kind of lazy not doing it, but I also feel kind of confused as to why they're doing it. So after a lovely time in the pool, we went to eat some lunch, we went back to our hotel rooms, got ourselves sorted a little bit, and now we're just going out again to explore, just to see what there is on offer around this area, to be honest. So I'm out and we're just doing some random things really, like my mum likes to shop, I don't, and I just spotted a place that's got real birds, and I mean bird, like parrots. So I just got my pictures taken with loads of different birds and a boa constrictor snake and an iguana, and I was just like, oh my god, and I had pictures like done of it, like professionally I guess. I'll just show you what I mean. Can you see it? 'Cause it's dark. Look, they're adorable. Look at them. Oh, a second. Yeah, so that's what I've just had a picture taken of. Like me with all these different birds. How sweet is that? But yeah, anyway, that's what I just had. That's what it looked like, you know? I know. There's a kitten underneath this area, and there's a cat under there, like a fully grown adult cat. Oh. Poor cat. Just makes me concerned when I see a cat with a kitten, like on its own, like, you know what I mean? I worry. No, I know, I mean like nutrition. Like, is the cat able to get food to then nurse the kitten? You know what I mean? That's my mum, by the way. I can't go in sand in these shoes.
Oh look, Steffi's come to lick your leg.
It's a chihuahua, I know. Yeah, so we're just going up the pier now. That's what we're doing. Because we were wandering for ages and ages and ages, and you know, my mum did lots of shopping. I don't like shopping much. And I needed an adapter for my micro SD card, for my GoPro, for my water footage. For my water footage. So that's what we were going to buy, and we found one, luckily. We found one, which I'm so good about. I did get it on footage. A guy just walked up to me and said hello to this camera. You probably saw it. But yeah, let me just show you where I am.
Yeah, take a picture.
I can't see you very well.
No, they don't know English, do they? Just tell me
Let me just show you. Anyway, I just needed to take a photo for an Italian lady. But anyway, I'll just show you the pier. Look at that view. And there's the pier. And it goes across. How lovely is that? Like, it's so nice, like the view and everything. It's incredible. I love it. Wow. Yeah. It's funny because people stare at YouTubers because I've got a camera and a tripod and I'm holding it up. You know. Look at that. spots. Wow. Anyway, on with the adventure. Such a pretty place. I'm going to walk back now. I don't know what we're doing next, but it's good. Just showing you again, why not? Why not? I apologise if this is a bit of a random vlog. It's been a bit of a random day actually, like we haven't done that much. Like the vlog of the first day, which was yesterday for me, was way better, but it was such a long vlog. But, oh well.
He loves the fuss and attention.
We've just seen another cat. Hello cat, hello cat. Hello. Hello. That's sweet. Oh, no, don't play with my hand. Bye, kitty. Isn't that sweet? We're back at our hotel now. Just, gonna get sorted, gonna go for dinner. Yeah, my mum's saying that he sits with that man over there, and when people come over, the cat greets the guests. That's so good. Like, this is my type of hotel. But anyway, we're just gonna go upstairs, we're just gonna, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have dinner. Just, yeah.
Let's do that.
So we're just at dinner. I've just spotted a seagull. Or a gull, I guess, because it's singular. Spotted a gull by the window and it looked really funny, so I thought I might show you that clip. But anyway, it's the same kind of food as usual, to be honest. It's not like they haven't mixed it up that much, which is fine, but I'm kind of done with carbohydrates now. I won't be having carbohydrates for breakfast, I know that. So yeah, I'm gonna actually end the vlog here for today. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. We're just gonna go back and have showers now. We're going to, well, I'm gonna edit, just things like that really. So yeah, see you on the